Welcome to What Would You Choose? Your daily dose of fun choices. Barn owl versus bat. Which one is a mammal? The answer is bat. Kayak versus cargo ship. Which one carries containers? The answer is cargo ship. Coconut versus papaya. Which one has water inside? The answer is coconut. Vicuna versus sheep. Which one gives very soft wool? The answer is vicuna. Vespa scooter versus pickup truck. Which one has an open back? The answer is pickup truck. Hummingbird versus vulture. Which one drinks nectar? The answer is hummingbird. Sweet potato versus zucchini. Which one is orange inside? The answer is sweet potato. Crab versus lobster. Which one has a short, wide body? The answer is crab. Neuschwanstein Castle versus Eiffel Tower. Which one is in Germany? The answer is Neuschwanstein Castle. Pufferfish versus squid. Which one can puff up like a ball? The answer is pufferfish. Steam engine versus maglev train. Which one uses magnets to move? The answer is maglev train. Cauliflower versus okra. Which one has little green pods? The answer is okra. Dalmatian versus German Shepherd. Which one has black spots? The answer is Dalmatian. Gondola versus motorboat. Which one is rowed with a pole in Venice? The answer is gondola. Slug versus snail. Which one has no shell? The answer is slug. Krakatoa versus Sahara Desert. Which one is a volcano? The answer is Krakatoa. Otter versus alligator. Which one cracks open shells with rocks? The answer is otter. Tuk-tuk versus rickshaw. Which one has a motor? The answer is tuk-tuk. Rockhopper penguin versus seagull. Which one has yellow feathers on its head? The answer is rockhopper penguin. Blueberry versus cranberry. Which one is blue? The answer is blueberry. White tiger versus zebra. Which one has stripes but is a cat? The answer is white tiger. Chinook helicopter versus glider. Which one has no engine? The answer is glider. Gherkin versus eggplant. Which one is purple? The answer is eggplant. Narwhal versus blue whale. Which one has a long tusk? The answer is narwhal. Japanese pagoda versus Taj Mahal. Which one is in India? The answer is Taj Mahal. Rat versus chipmunk. Which one has cheek pouches for food? The answer is chipmunk. Ice cream van versus bulldozer. Which one sells food? The answer is ice cream van. Cashew versus chestnut. Which one grows outside the fruit? The answer is cashew. Little penguin versus swan. Which one is the smallest penguin? The answer is little penguin. Okapi versus zebra. Which one has a long neck like a giraffe? The answer is okapi. Minivan versus tram. Which one runs on rails? The answer is tram. Toad versus frog. Which one has rougher skin? The answer is toad. Tomato versus apple. Which one is actually a fruit but used as a vegetable? The answer is tomato. Kiwi bird versus flamingo. Which one cannot fly at all? The answer is kiwi bird. Tandem bike versus electric scooter. Which one can two people ride together? The answer is tandem bike. Hyena versus raccoon. Which one laughs? The answer is hyena. Lettuce versus kale. Which one is curly and dark green? The answer is kale. Husky versus Chihuahua. Which one pulls sleds? The answer is husky. Hermit crab versus clam. Which one borrows shells? The answer is hermit crab. Titanic versus speedboat. Which one sank in 1912? The answer is Titanic. Komodo dragon versus gecko. Which one is the largest living lizard? The answer is Komodo dragon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Seandale Kids for more Would You Rather quizzes likes that.